Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to make katori blouse with designer back. This is the fabric of sari with big border and small border. We will going to attach this big border to the sleeve and this small border at back we will take. This is lining and this net for overlap the back and to attach frill at sleeve. You can see the keyhole and net it attached with bead lace, and one side we'll take the half golden lace. Now we'll see the cutting of this blouse. Now you can see this measurement. We will take the blouse length 14 inch, shoulder 14, upper chest 36, chest 38 and waist 33. Sleeve we will take elbow 12 by 11 and front neck 8.5 and back neck is 11.5. Now you take the lining fabric and fold it from center and keep it double layer of fold like this. And now right now we are marking back side of the blouse. Length 15 inch we have taken. Shoulder 7 inch drop. Now mark your chest. Chest as per the measurement. You have to take the half of your chest measurement. 38. You have to take the half of 38. Same thing you apply for waist also. If your chest waist is 33, then you have to take it half of it and half inch extra for dart. 3.5 for dart marking. Mark it straight. Now we are drawing dart. Shoulder 7 inch drop from shoulder to make the armhole. To take 1.5 inch extra for margin. Half inch drop. It's a shoulder drop. This marking we are doing for neckline area. Neck is marked as per measurement, as we have to take round neck, so give the shape. Pattern is drawn for back. Now we'll do the cutting. We are taking half inch extra at shoulder and armhole for margin, and for side it is already given 1.5 inch, so it is included in the pattern. And with same firma we'll mark front. The back neck is ready. Mark this back side on paper so that we can easily mark it for front. Same size you have to mark it on the paper and cut it, and with that firma we'll take out the firma of front portion. neck front, mark it 8.5, give the shape. Now for front cutting, you take the empire line of 13 inch. It's the yoke part of the blouse. This marking is done 3.5 inch. From neck, you take the half portion of the neck, take the center of the neck and you connect it to the mark so that we will get side portion of front blouse. Yoke, part 1, this is katori part. This is part 2. In 3 part, your cutting of front blouse is done. Start. Now we are cutting the yoke final part. And part 1 is also final. You have to give the shape. Now for katori, you need one dart, so we will again make the katori part with dart. To make the katori part, we'll keep that firma over it and mark it again because we need to extend it. Marking has been done. Take 1.5 inch extra and enlarge it. From center, 1 inch extra. Join this and give the shape. From this curve, you have to take the center of this and make a one dart. It's 2.5 inch length and 1.5 inch width. Your katori part is ready. Now cutting has to be done as per the firma. No extra margin is there because it is included in firma only. Now you can check it whether volume is coming or not. When you stitch this start point, volume is increased for chest area. You check with part 1, it's perfect or not. It's joined, that means it is perfect. Now we will see Parma is perfect or not by pinning up on that portion. We'll attach the part 1, 2 and 3 and check it out. You can see this is perfect in size. Third part, yoke. Is perfectly done. Now you can see this. We'll take 1/2 inch marking at center to cut the front armhole extra. Now you can see how this Parma is done nicely. You can see the volume at chest area, part 1, part 2, 3, all 3 parts together attached like a blouse. It is perfectly done. As we have done back side of lining, and now we'll placing this front side part on lining fabric and marking it. When you do the cutting with the Parma, you can save fabric also. Suppose big size is there and you have to adjust the fabric, you can cut and adjust your Parma as per the fabric, so that you can make proper size with small fabric also, because you adjust the fabric and cut, and it is very convenient for cutting also. Part 2 is also done. Part 3. You can see we have drawn this first part, second part and third part. Now remaining fabric you have to cut sleeve. Now as per the Parma, you have to cut all 3 parts properly. Now in remaining fabric you have to draw sleeve. This portion you can see this is little bit short fabric, so we will put the joint over here and Now we'll take the length of 12-inch sleeve with bottom 11-inch. Now we'll minus 3.5 inch of length and mark the bias. Armhole. Extra margin. Add this extra fabric as main fabric is shorter. Join this part. In stitching. Now give the extra curve in front part of the armhole. If you remember, we have given this deep cut in blouse part 2 also, because front need extra deep cut all the part. Now you can see main lining is cut in all 4 parts. Including back, it is the 5 part. You can see the sleeve, back, yoke, front part 1 and part 2. Now how to cut main fabric with this Firma in next video. We will see the part 2 of this on main fabric.